Good morning, Rashmi ma'am.
Good morning. Had
How are you?
breakfast?
Hello?
Hello. Had
Yes, ma'am.
breakfast?
No, ma'am. Not
No.
yet.
Okay. Then, how are you?
I'm good. What about you, ma'am?
Yeah, fine. Fine here. Still, Tanujan,
Tanuja ma'am is not there.
yeah, Lavina ma'am and all, no? Yeah, yet to come. They may come now. They'll join us now, I think so.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Rashmi.
Morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yes.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
sir.
Good morning.
How are you all?
Good morning. Lavina,
Morning,
good morning.
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Lavina.
Dinkar, sir, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
And today, no students, only professionals are there. Ki Pooja Joshi, Dinkar Padwal. It's a student. Uh, Rashmi Daksh, Priya Gupta.
Yes, sir.
Waiting for that is Lavina Anwar and Srini okay. Suman Joshi. Then Suman Joshi.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Suman Joshi, you should wish everybody.
Yes, sir. You were busy in talking, so I'll drop a message for all.
Suman Joshi. Then first of all, we can talk then. Class. First, I wrote something in my book.
Hello.
Hello, coming. Okay. Hello, Rashmi. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
You
How
know,
are you, sir? Yesterday,
communicate, communicative English. In that, some
your voice is breaking.
manners, and some greetings. Some greetings that good morning, good afternoon, like that. So many greetings. Oh, and very glad to meet you. Formalities. Very glad to meet you. And then how do you do? So the answer is how do you do itself? That is not I am not I am fine. That is not an answer. For asking how do you do, answer is I am fine. Not that not I am fine. How do you do? Answer is how do you do? Understand? And then you can uh, this is the example I have written now. Then you have to check it out and you have to say manners and formalities. You can take class for 10 minutes or 20 minutes like that. And Naveen also. Then both of you can take class differently. 10 minutes. You can think about that. You can think because you are a good English speaker. Then you can think about that manners and formalities. Do you get me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Getting you.
then you can think more great things. You can then communicate with Priya Gupta and Priya Gupta and Pooja Joshi, like that. And you say that not in oration, that is, you say Priya, like that, and then Puja, like that. That is called communication. Otherwise, it will be oration. I don't want oration. I am the orator. Okay. I am the orator. I don't want Priya, Puja, like that. I am the orator to Lavina, Tanuja, and Rashmi. And they will do that. They will do that communication. Am I right? Okay. Then you
Yes, sir.
proceed with Rashmi. First of all, Rashmi. Think about that 5 minutes. No problem. Pooja Joshi. Pooja.
Yeah, yes, sir. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Are you sleeping there? Okay. And
Hello?
my dear students, my dear professionals, Rashmi and Lavina will ask you, Pooja Joshi, so many things. And you have to answer that. Otherwise, you have to make the answer. If you don't have the answer, you have to make the answer clear.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Pooja?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then Rashmi. Suman Joshi,
Yes, sir.
you are selected as professional.
Thank you, sir.
I will the the
Sir, your voice is not clear.
yeah. Now it's there. Suman,
Hello?
now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Then Suman, I will give more details after 1 week, and up to that we will be training of the Rashmi and Lavina and Tanuja.
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
You will be in my group also. You, you should obey me. You should obey me. You should not be absent here.
Yes, sir.
In my professional, global professionals. And
Good morning, sir.
good morning, Palas. Then Lavina and Rashmi giving intimations. And I am giving that is formalities and wishes that formalities and manners. Good morning, good afternoon, like that. And I am very glad to see you. I am very glad to see you. There is so many things are there. You can think and say. And Paras,
Yes, sir.
then you just listen, you just observe what Rashmi is doing and give the mark to me in my over my phone. Indirectly over my phone. You can give mark of Rashmi and Lavina. Okay? So you are
Sir,
the
but
judge here, and you are the judge. Okay.
yes, sir.
Then you take the you are at your house, your home. You are at home now.
Sir, what?
Yes, sir. We all are at home.
Sorry, Paras is at
Yes,
home.
sir.
Then you take
Yes,
one
sir. I'm in
you,
home. I'm in my.
paper and pen. You take one paper and pen. Then say Rashmi, uh, then Lavina. That names also. Suman Joshi also. And then you can mark that performance. That you give it to me in WhatsApp, or you can call me after 1 o'clock. I think you are getting me right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is Ava Rashmi?
Sir, actually, Rashmi ma'am is not here right now.
Then who is
Lavina ma'am. Lavina ma'am.
Lavina ma'am, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm here.
Start Lavina.
Yes, sir.
You can start the class.
Okay. Good morning, all of you.
Good
Morning.
morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Okay, so
Good
yeah,
morning,
I'm
ma'am.
good. Good morning. How are you all?
Fine,
We are
ma'am.
fine.
So today the topic is etiquettes and manners. Right.
Okay,
We
ma'am.
Yes.
all know about etiquettes and manner. What is etiquette and manners? What it shows? Etiquette and manners like if we meet someone, if we hear from someone something, so we should firstly greet him, or we should see what we are feeling to see him and to talk with him. We should like we should say like this thing. So it is our etiquettes and manner. So if a person is in front of us, so we should say, I'm glad to see you. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
What we should say, I'm glad to see you. If the person is on the phone, so what we should say, I'm glad to hear you.
Glad to hear you.
What we
Okay,
should
ma'am.
say,
I'm glad to hear you.
yeah, I'm glad to see you. I'm glad to hear you. It shows our etiquettes and manners. Are you getting
Okay,
my
ma'am.
point?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Noted.
If a person is saying something to us, so it is our responsibility to give an answer, right? We can't say we don't listen him, we are not listening him, and we don't have any answer. We should say in a reply, pleasure is mine. What we will say? Pleasure is mine.
That is mine.
The pleasure is mine. If a person is saying something to us like, I'm glad to see you, I'm glad to hear you, what we will say? Pleasure is mine.
That is mine.
Are you getting, Pooja?
Yes, ma'am.
What we will say?
Pleasure's
A
mine
person,
when
if a person is in front of us, what we will say that time?
pleasure's mine.
No, if a person is in front of us and I'm very
Glad to see
happy to
you.
see, yeah, I'm
Yes,
glad to
ma'am.
see you. And if a
Yes, ma'am.
person is on the phone and I feel very happy, I'm feeling very happy to hear that sound, what we will say?
Glad to hear you.
Yeah, I'm glad to hear you.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
what we will say in the answer of it? What is the answer of it?
Sorry, ma'am.
What
What
is
you
the
said?
What is the answer of it? If a person is saying something that I'm glad to hear you, I'm glad to see you, what will you say?
Pleasure's mine.
Pleasure is mine, because that a person is feeling happy to see us, to hear us. We are feeling same thing. We are also happy to hear him or her, and we are happy to see him or her. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
So what it shows? It shows our etiquettes and manners.
Manners.
Being professional, we should do this thing. Being professional, it is our responsibility. It is what we are feeling. It is our responsibility to show which is going in our mind. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
getting? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The another one is, if we want something, favor or something like pen, pencil, paper, what we will say to another person in a manner language. If we want something, if we want something like pen, pencil, and the other thing, any stuff, what we will say that time in a good manner? What we will say? Could I have your stuff, please? Any stuff it is. Could I have your any stuff, please? Could I
Could I
have
have any stuff?
your pencil, paper, and the pen? If we want something from the another person, what we will say? Could I have your pen, please? Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What we will say? What we will say?
Could I
Could
have
I
your
have?
Because could is very much polite word.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
We can say that way also. May I have your pen, please?
Yeah, may I have your pen, please? It shows our manners. We can't say, give me your pen. What it shows? It shows we are
Arrogant.
very rude,
Yes,
arrogant,
ma'am.
right? So what we will say, if we want something from the other person, what we will say that time?
Could I
May
have?
I
Could
have?
I
Could I have?
have?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
Okay.
This word is very much important. Please.
Yes, ma'am.
It shows that we are not arrogant, we are not cruel, right? Could I have your any stuff, please? Getting my point? And what is the
Yes,
Yes,
answer?
ma'am.
What is the answer of it? Here you are.
here you are.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Here you are. What is the answer of it?
Here you are.
You are. Just repeat it.
Here you
Here
are.
you are.
Here
Here
you
you
are.
are.
Could I have your pen, please?
Here
Suman, could
you
I
are.
have your pen, please?
Here you are.
Ma'am, here
What?
you are.
What? Suman,
Yes,
could
ma'am.
I have your phone, please? Could I have your phone, please?
Ma'am, here you are.
Will you give me your phone? Are you ready to giving it to me?
Ma'am, for just.
Okay, if you don't want to give your annual stuff, you can say, I'm sorry and I apologize. I'm sorry
I
and
apologize.
decided I apologize. Yes. If we don't want to give any stuff, so what we will say? I apologize.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Could I have
Oh,
your money, please?
I'm sorry. I'm apologize.
I'm sorry and I apologize. Apologize.
Apologize.
Apologize. Yes, ma'am.
Just use a one word. If you are using I'm sorry, so it is sufficient. And beside it, you can use I apologize. Right. Use any one sentence. Kuljit,
Yes, ma'am.
Kuljit, could I have your phone, please? Could I have your phone, please? Are you listening to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Ravina,
Yes, sir.
You are doing very well. Continue.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hello.
Kuljeet,
Stop it.
Rashmi, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, yours bad.
Rashmi, ma'am, are you saying something?
Yeah, I should continue. Sir came, no? I thought to continue his
Okay,
saying.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Hello.
You can
Shall I?
continue. You can. Yes, ma'am. Here you go.
Okay, okay. Yes. So, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. So, today we are speaking an important topic, not for learning point of view. It is one where it's very necessary as we are in a society, living in a society. It's very important the speaking skill you should have, how you speak, how you speak depends on your, it tells you your personality. Sir, no, so wherever you go to an interview or you in a society, it may be with the elders, it may be with the friends. So your talking, way of talking is very important. So it may judge you. Yeah, so she's like this. So see how she talk. She's very polite. So like this, if you are very rash, rude, if you'll be not to that extent in by heart, but the way of talking seems to a lot. So speaking is when if you are good also, your way of talking it's thing makes others to think you are rash means your personality will be changed to that person. He may feel he's very rash, he's rude. Yes or no? So the talking how you speak, it's very important with the others. So today it's very important, and so professional point of view also it's very important for you to know. Yes or no? So here in the spoken language, so there are different levels of formality, so depending upon the social situations, about the relationship with the others. So in spoken language there is how you speak. When you're speaking, there is different level. There is formality and informality. That is mainly two types, informal and formal. So what is this informal? So you, when you are speaking with your friends, or you will be very formal. Yeah. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. We are
I mean,
informal with our friends.
with the friends, we not be so much formal. That is informal. Informal and formal. Formal means where you are. We are talking with a dignified person. You are writing a letter, cover letter to the job application. So academic essay you are writing. That all you are following a formal way. That is very dignified. Very, you should be very much conscious when you are talking and writing. But informal means with your friends, with your family, you will be not so restricted with your talking skill or anything. Yes, sir? No, that is informal. Yeah. See, when you're in the spoken language, what you're talking, when you're having the level of talking, the level of formalities depends on the with whom you're talking. Yes or no? So if you're talking with the friends, close relatives, close friends, you won't follow much formality. Yes or no? They'll say no formality please. If you have, the friends will say thank you if you're very close friends, you'll say, if you say thank you ma, or sorry, like this, if you say means they'll say oh no formality please, they'll say. Yes or no? With the friends and all, we won't follow much formality. That is informal. So mainly informal and formal we have. Okay. So informal means there is not much needed any formality. Yes. So that is informal, with whom you will be, with the friends, with the close relatives and all. Okay. Formality means where, so you are in a meeting, you are writing any of the academic essay you are made you to write. So that is, you need to write what is academic essay. So about the academic, what you are writing, what yes, so that you need to be very formal. While writing the cover letter to any of the job, you should follow the formality respected, so you should write so with regards at last. So whenever you're writing, the formality should be there. When you're talking with the in a meeting, you are talking with the like you could thank, you're like to, so when you're talking to a principal or any of the that is the dignitary persons have arrived in your institution, for example, so that time how you want to, what is the formality you should maintain? If you want to thank, what you'll say, I could like to thank principal staff so who have selected me for this honor, like that. That means where you are following the formality, understood formality, where you are, you need to be in a formal way of speaking. Okay, so that is where, hello,
Rashmi,
where, hello sir.
you are doing perfectly, very well, and more than I expected. So, formality, you can continue. We can say that you are going very tough. If it is very tough, Suman Joshi and others can't understand. You are doing very well, according to my standard. Because
Okay,
that
thank you.
you please liberalize it. You please liberalize it and ask questions to Suman and others.
I'll ask, just introduction I was giving, sir.
Okay,
I'll
okay,
ask.
okay.
Okay,
Continue,
so
continue,
that
continue,
is,
continue
yeah.
that.
Yes, yes, sir. So in the formal, what, when you are talking formally, so what you want to be concentrating, that is, you should be very serious. Yes, the language what you use should be proper, and the sentence should be complete. See, when you're talking with any of the dignitary persons and principal, you should not stop. You should not say some, that is slagging. Avoid slagging. Slagging means what? That is, so not clearly talking, not clearly, they'll say I didn't understood. Yeah, like that we should not, you should be, that means what, it should be clearly you should talk, you should be, sentence should be complete, and your language should be very proper. That means grammatically you should think that is it proper, and the serious way of, that is the what it is, these all things when you are talking about, or when you are formally you are writing, you are talking with someone, so you should concentrate to all these things. So when you are, for example, when you went for an interview, where that time you should be very serious, you should concentrate to the language, and you should that is sentence, what here it should be complete means what you are saying properly, clearly, the other who are sitting in front of you should clearly understand it. Okay, avoid slagging means overlapping, or not talking clearly, like that you should not do. Okay, so would you like to thank, that is what it is, means these things are important when you are, what is that, formally you are talking, formally you are greeting. So what are the things when you are, for example, I'll ask you this, okay? You should concentrate. So what is this means? When you are with somebody, you went inside, they are greeting you, they are just other guests are coming, you are there inside, so you want to greet someone, or you want to welcome someone. So what are the things you should do? See, you should greet the person when he comes. Hello, sir. Nice to meet you. You should say, and we should be very polite way. You should be, make your eye contact, that is you should not see somewhere else. So your person is coming in front of you, you should in eye contact, that is means what, so not seeing somewhere, so he will see that what he's doing, he's not concentrating on me. So the person who is there, you should have eye contact. Yeah, use your approach here, that is speak clearly. Yeah, focus on conversation, what your conversation means, what you're talking with each other, what he is saying, what you are saying, so you should focus on that is the conversation, and you should thank the person who has come there. Okay, so what is this? Yeah, Priya Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what it is I'm saying is, when you're greeting someone, yeah, when you're greeting
We have
someone, so what are the
then we have to
things?
maintain eye contact and
Yeah.
greet the person with polite manner
Yes.
and don't overlap when they talk.
Yeah. And you should be clear. Speak clearly. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
And
We have to speak
uh,
clearly.
clear way means complete sentence clearly. Okay. and focus on conversation what is going on. Yeah, and you should be thankful to that person. Yes, so these are the
Yes.
things when you are going or when you are being allowed you to greet someone. Yeah, anybody you can come, yeah, to a hotel, or you have a hotel here, somebody has guest has come, so you are in, there is a meeting going on, some dignitary has arrived. So all these things, when you are need to greet someone, you should have all these things in your mind when you are doing it. Okay. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Neha Pandey. Neha Pandey,
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
good morning. So, when you are going, somebody is in front of you, or it's on the way in front of your way. So, that time, what you will do? So, what you will say? Yeah. So, you want to go in that way. In that way, somebody is in front. So, how you will say? So, what you will say? Yeah.
Um, firstly, I would say good morning. Yeah.
Not here, see, not that. So excuse me. So excuse me. That means what? So you you want to go, and he is in front. He is on in that way where you are going. Yes. So you should make him to go side. So excuse me. So I need to go. So please excuse me. Okay, excuse me. You will use, and somebody is saying they have said something and you can't hear properly, you didn't hear properly. So that time what you want to say, don't please repeat in, don't say that. What you want to say, you said pardon. Pardon means what? Yeah, you need to repeat. Someone is saying you didn't hear,
Repeat.
you want to say him to repeat it. So that time what do you say?
Pardon.
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 Yes, ma'am.
Pardon. Yeah.
Pardon.
Yes, yes. So that is
Okay,
where
ma'am.
you are. Yeah. So next, when anybody comes, yeah, has Ravina ma'am told, nice to meet you. Yeah, and thank you. These words, no, you feel like, oh, it's common. Thank you, excuse, but it means a lot when you're talking. When but these words, if you use, so it shows your personality. Sir, no. So thank you, excuse me. So when you sneeze, yeah, sneeze. So it may disturb him, so excuse me. Yeah, like if you sneeze, cough, like that and all. So when you are sitting in a conference hall, it will be very silent, it will be very serious. So in that time, if you need to sneeze or cough it, so excuse me, like that. So so then if they say thank you, mention not. So thank you, if they say mention not, we can say. So excuse me, these words are very important. You feel means it's a casual one, but when you use, you feel like, yeah, he's he's good in talk, or he is good personality says. So what it who is, okay. So when a person comes, so greeting, what do you say? Hello. So, hello, good morning, nice to meet you. Yes. So, then that time. So, if somebody comes, what that is, they'll say, hello, good morning, nice to meet you. So, in this way, in your side, what you say is, it's pleasure to meet, it's pleasure to meet you. So, what it is? So, while
It's
greeting, what
pleasant
you
to
will say? Yes. So, hello, good morning. You can use as just good morning. If it is not, it's nice to meet you. Instead of saying hello, you can say good morning. Yeah, instead of just saying, yeah, yeah, good here. Instead of that, it's nice to meet you should say. So what it is I'm saying is, so hello, yeah, hello, you can use it for a friend. Yeah, if it is dignitary person, you should use good morning, sir. Like hello, it doesn't mean, no, no.
Then
So
we can
hello,
say good
hi,
afternoon or good morning.
yeah, hi, hello. These are words we use for friend. Yes, sir? No. So if it is a dignity person, you should use good morning, sir. It's nice to meet you. Yeah. So with whom you're talking, with whom is it relative? Is it friend? Is it a dignitary percentage, so that you should say. So, good morning, sir. Nice to meet you. Okay, so there and all don't use to hello, hi, and all you should not use for a dignitary person. Okay, so how it's going on? So, how it's going on? What are you doing? Yes. Hello. Yes. So that is how it's going on. Yeah. So nice to see you. So these are the words. So what are the things you can use when you are greeting someone? Hello. So Rahul.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So what it is means where you will use for the word for the friends. So how you greet your friends?
What, ma'am?
If you are greeting your friends, so what are the words you can use? Friends. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, if you are greeting your friend, so you can use what are the greeting words you can use?
Oh, waiting
Yes.
words.
Hi, hello. You can use no. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. If it is a dignified person, yeah. If any of the principal or any of the dignified person, if he comes, so how you should greet them?
I'm sorry.
If a dignitary person arrives, so how you will greet him? What you will say? First,
Ma'am,
you are
voice is
seeing him
not
first.
clear. Ma'am, your
Yeah.
voice is not clear.
Yes, Pooja.
Hello.
Pooja.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Manjushri.
Yes,
Yes.
good morning.
So, yes. So when you're greeting a dignified person, so how do you greet him?
Ma'am, ma'am, at that time we use good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. It's a
And
pleasure to meet you. You can
yes,
say
ma'am,
it's
it's a pleasure to meet you. At that time we have to use in formal lines because we are talking to them.
yes, yes. Then
And ma'am,
so
we have to use.
still more you want to talk with him. So how are you doing? How are you doing? What's going on? Yes. So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
should not use in a shorter way. So you should clearly sentence wise. So what's up? What's up? You can't use. So what is going on? Instead of what's up, what is going on? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
How is yeah? How is it going on? Good to see you. Nice to see you. Like this. Good to see you. Nice to see you. So there will be some function going on, and you are sitting with the man next to or beside to the dignified person, and in middle you should talk something. You should be talking with him, or in your small interval you should talk with him because he's dignified. So that time you should ask more. Yeah. So how are you doing? So what are you doing? Very good to see you. Nice to see you. So these sentences you should be familiar. So that time you can greet and you can talk for few minutes with the person that is who have arrived. Yes or no? So these are the things which are necessary while you're talking. Yes. So Lavina ma'am also told yes or no. So it may be excuse me, pardon, it may be yes. So sorry, thanks, all these things. Yeah, these are the important things, and even many she told no. So you should be keep in mind when you're greeting someone, when you're talking with someone. Okay. So that is when you're in a spoken language. So there is two different level of formality. Yes, what is that two formality level? What is the two level of formality?
Either formal and informal.
Yeah, formal and informal. So informal. Yes. Jitendra. 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 Yes, Jitendra. Where you use informal. Jitendra. Jitendra. Hello. 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 Yes, Neha. Neha. Neha.
Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. So where you'll use informal. Yeah, informal way of greeting. Where you will have with whom? Hello.
So, hello, ma'am. Sorry, I don't know that.
Formal and informal are there. Sir, no. Two types. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
When I said you were there.
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
See, spoken English.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear. I'm not hearing. Hello.
In spoken English, there is
Neha.
two level of formalities. Yeah. So, hello. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, network issue, na?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. Say. Yeah. Yeah. Formal and informal. Yes or no? Formal way of greeting someone will be with whom? Yeah. Jitendra. Hello. Suman.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, may
Yeah. So, what is this formal, informal?
so, ma'am, in informal, we have to, ma'am, it is used for family, friends, and our close relatives from whom we are talking in frankly, informal way. And informally, the way of talking is very soft. We have to be serious. The language is proper. And formally, we are talking and writing. We have to note them all and
Yes.
avoid slacking and overlapping. And when we are
Sentence should be complete. Should be yes. Language. You should concentrate on the
yes, ma'am.
language.
And we have
Yeah,
to
language.
concentrate our conversation, and we have to make eye contact and
Yeah.
hello, good morning, very polite in the very polite manner, and be serious for that.
Thanks. You should thanks the person and focus on
Yes, ma'am.
conversation. What happening there? Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
and we have to speak clear. And also, ma'am, and according to me, we have to wear a smile because
Yeah. Yes.
it works
Yes.
a
Yeah.
lot.
Yes. Yeah. You should be
Yeah.
when and a smiling face.
Yes,
It
ma'am. And according
indicates
to me,
yes.
smile works 50% of our work.
Ah,
So,
yes, yes, ma'am.
yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. So you should be smiling. That is, it makes you the environment to be a cool one, even for the others also, for you also. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. So
Yes, ma'am.
formality. When you are an example for some formality, like where you will writing where you will use formal writings.
Ma'am, in informally writing, We have to note them
No, no. Where
all.
you will where? For example, where the formal writing you will use? Where?
Ma'am, maybe in interview all.
Yeah. So writing cover letter for a job. So for example,
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
writing for a job.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. At that time, we have to regards them all, and at last we have to regards, and starting we have to say good morning and all. We have to
Respected.
write them in a formal way.
Yeah, and you have made it to write an academic essay, something regarding the academic, what all the things happen, what all the things will going on. So like this and all, if it is there, means there and all, you should concentrate more on the formal way of writing. A
Yes,
formal
ma'am.
way where your writing, your language skill should be very much concentrated. Okay, so
Yes,
these are the things where you are need to. Yes, so you got a little bit idea, no? So how to
yes, ma'am.
greet, so how you should be personality, your personality, how you should be, you should be polite, greeting, smile. Yeah, all these things. Yeah, you should concentrate while you're talking.
While
Yeah,
in
where you
interview.
use, yeah, while writing also, while former with the friends and all, you can use hi, hello and all, but you should not use for a person who are dignified. Here
Yes,
you should
yes,
say nice to meet you, good morning sir. Yeah, so some sort of politeness should be there. So what is going on? So good to see
good to
you,
see
nice,
you. Nice to
yeah,
see you.
nice to see you. So what are you
Yes,
doing? So all these things, it's very necessary when you are talking and all. Okay, so
yes.
these comes in. Yeah, okay, okay. Lavina ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. And the rest
Mhm.
is students. What is the manner and etiquette shows? What the thing it shows? Why we should use an etiquettes and manners? What is the need to use these words?
Ma'am, it shows politeness and
Politeness,
our
yes.
nature,
Hmm.
how will be great
Ah,
people.
yeah, it is important thing that good manners and the etiquettes important to considering the feeling what we are feeling right now or respect. Yeah.
It
Yes, ma'am.
shows our
So,
first
yeah.
impression in front of people.
First impression is last impression.
Yes,
Have you
ma'am.
heard that word? First
Yes,
impression
ma'am.
is last
Last.
Last.
impression. Yes, if a respected person in front of you and you were just saying, "Hey buddy, hi, what's up?" So what it shows?
It
Casualty.
shows
It
It
shows
in
shows
casualty, not formal way.
casual, not no. What it shows? It shows that we don't have that manner to respect the elder one.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. So
Yes, ma'am.
the best and example of good manners like choose your word wisely. Firstly, the most important thing is choose your word wisely. What you are gonna to say, firstly choose your words. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And I always say the same thing. Think twice before you speak.
Yes,
Yeah?
ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah,
Before
ma'am.
saying anything, give it a second thought.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the sentence? And what is the
Um,
phrase? Before saying anything, give it a
uh,
second thought.
second thought. Yes, ma'am.
Just note it down. Before saying anything, give it a second thought.
Second thought. Second thought.
Yeah, second thought. Don't use rash word in front of our elders. And if we are in college, in like in a meeting, so we should think that we are gonna to say what word we are using. And the most important thing, don't speak loudly. Don't
Yes, ma'am.
speak loudly. Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
agree with me? Yes,
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
speak
Yeah, I agree with
loudly.
you.
Yeah, and always respect older people and the respected one. like your teacher, like who is your that person in front of you, the elder one, and you can understand what I want to say. So just respect them. And the
Yes,
most
ma'am.
important thing is use always the word thank you and you're welcome. Thank you. What thank you shows that you are feeling that a person is helping you or someone is saying something important you are very thankful to them. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
use this word thank you and you're welcome. Now the some word what we are use in etiquettes and manners. Firstly, I'm glad to see you. I'm happy to see you, and I am I am
I
speak up.
am.
Lavina,
I'm sorry.
Yes, sir.
Lavina,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rashmi, and you did a good
Yes.
job here. Good job, very
Thank you
good.
so much, sir.
And
Thank you so much.
I took this topic because of making them professionals, making them very good professionals, good hospitality, and good host like that. I'm declaring now one Priya Gupta, to Suman Joshi, and Pooja Joshi, and Neha Patel. And they are not professionals, that is, professionals are A grade, B grade, C grade, and they are now in C grade, A grade, Dilper A grade, Ravina A grade, Tanuja A grade. And this is what about Paras? Paras is professional. What about Paras, Rashmi?
Sir,
What about Paras? Paras is the
Paras. Sir, Paras is
no,
not there.
not there, sir, today.
okay. Paras may be our professional. I don't think so because I didn't interact with them with that person, and I can see only interacted persons, and I can see everything in DEI. That so many persons are liking my Facebook and sharing my Facebook. I don't. There are some Gadwal like I don't know that.
Bhagwan.
And some persons are the, not our students or professionals, and persons from Uttarakhand, business people, and I don't know what is the purpose, what is the business. But actually, it is good, very good. And Rashmi madam, sorry,
Yes, sir.
Rashmi, you are doing very good nowadays because uh, actually I congratulate you for that. When you come here, anything for me because you are from Kannada. That is, you only know Kannada like that. I think you know English, but you don't know Hindi. But again, I speak Hindi very well. Now, teacher is there. So, Lavina,
Yes, sir.
made the these people, now Saman Joshi, Pooja Joshi, Priya Gupta. Make
Yes, sir.
clear
Note it down, sir.
decision good or bad you decide. What decision good or bad you decide first. Now I will give you 10 minutes. I will give you 10 minutes and you can interact with them. Hello, Lavina.
Yes, sir.
You can interact with Suman Joshi, Pooja Joshi, uh, Priya Gupta now in front of me. I want to before declaring that I want to make that. So Rashmi and you should.
Sir, sir, you have some network issue. Actually, I'm not getting your voice.
You're not getting. Now you are getting.
Yes, sir.
Now you are getting. Suman Joshi,
Yes, sir.
do you get me?
Yes, sir.
Then I am first asking question. How many people are in their family?
In my family,
Yeah,
sir, 8 people were there.
8.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Okay, Ravina, you please ask 10 questions using WH. Mean what, how, like that to our Suman Joshi. Then she can answer that. She want to answer. Then only it will be success. Then I can take Suman Joshi also. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Continue with that. WH questions. That is YH questions. You take your own time. 5 minutes. No problem.
Hello, Priya.
Hello.
Voice is clear to you?
Yes, your voice is clear.
But where is Lavina, ma'am?
Yes, I'm here.
I'm sorry,
I'm
ma'am.
here. Sorry for that. Actually, I apologize. I didn't listen anything. Please convey that message to me. What he was saying to me, please. Actually, I didn't listen anything just because of the network issue. I think he has some
Ma'am,
network issue. Maybe I have.
yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, Rashmi ma'am.
Yeah,
What he was saying to me, ma'am, please help me.
yes, ma'am. I think it told to ask about the WH questions, something questions like in such a way that he can answer and we can know how he speaks. His speaking skill will be tested. So that's it. He need to ask WH questions, like some questions, and he let him answer, and we can. So like that. Suman
What type of questions, ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am.
What type of question you are saying to me? Not getting.
Ma'am, WH
Maybe
question.
I
WH
have.
question.
Maybe I
WH
have some network.
WH questions he told, ma'am.
WH questions.
Yeah. So what
I
he gave
think
one example is how many people are there in your family? He asked. Like that he told, ma'am.
okay, now getting your point. Okay, gonna to
Hello.
ask. Yes, ma'am. Who is gonna to ask?
For Suman Joshi, you should ask.
Okay, Suman Joshi is going to ask the question with whom?
No, you should ask
Ma'am,
him and he will
you have to
answer.
ask me question.
You
Okay,
should
I
ask
have
him
to ask. Okay.
and he
You
should
can say
answer,
now it's
ma'am.
my turn to ask. Right.
No.
About
Yeah, you should question him.
about your family, right?
Yeah,
No,
like
ma'am,
any
on
kind
everything.
of questions, let him answer. While answering, we can come to know how he is speaking, how his speaking skill now, ma'am. So like that, I think so. His sir told.
Okay, Suman Joshi. So, Suman
Yes, ma'am.
Joshi, you have heard what the sir said to me and the student, actually the thing was not clear to me. If you are clear with the thing, just say the what about your family. Yeah, it is the question na, about your family and all. So tell me, how many
No,
members are there in your family and how many siblings you have?
ma'am, in my family,
Yeah,
I've got 8 members
yeah,
because I have a joint family,
okay,
and we are two siblings only.
okay. Brother and sister.
Ma'am, brother, elder
Okay,
brother.
two brothers, elder
Mm,
brother. And
no, no,
what
no,
they
ma'am.
do?
Ma'am, only me and my brother. We are two siblings.
Okay, you and your brother. What your brother do? Yeah, what your brother is doing right now? Doing
Ma'am,
a job or doing a study?
yes, ma'am, he is doing a job.
Which type of job is he doing right
Ma'am,
now?
he's in Bank of Baroda.
Bank of Baroda. On which post?
Ma'am, actually, he has to supervise all the ATM of Kumau.
Okay.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
what he has
And
done?
also he's working in Maruti and Nainital Motors. Have you ever heard?
Maruti showroom.
Maruti
Yeah, it is
Suzuki. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, yes, ma'am.
four-wheeler company. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. So
There
what
is.
he has done? What he has done
Ma'am,
to become
ma'am,
like
actually he has
yeah.
completed BBA
Okay, BBA from
and
where?
now pursuing MBA. Ma'am, from Amrapali, Haldwani.
Amrapali. Okay, okay, I have that name, Amrapali.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
what is the
Yes.
profession of your father and your mother?
Ma'am, actually, my father is a retired government employee and he is a retired JE post.
JE post. Okay, and what about the
Yes,
mother?
ma'am. Ma'am, my mother is a housewife.
Okay, a housewife. And
Yes,
what
ma'am.
about you said you lived in joint family, so there are only
Yes,
four members. And what about the four? Who are they?
ma'am. Ma'am, currently my brother. Ma'am, actually, I have a new member because my brother has got married in February.
Okay, and
So
what
and
about three?
I have my grandmother also.
Okay, grandmother, grandfather, and
No, 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 grandfather not, only grandmother.
okay, and the two members.
Ma'am,
I'm
ma'am,
counting. Yes.
uncle and auntie, like
Okay,
tower
uncle
type.
and aunt. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Rashmi ma'am? Rashmi ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Am
ma'am.
I doing right or wrong?
Yeah, right, ma'am. Right.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Some,
I just
he told
want
us
to.
about the 10 questions like that, ma'am. About 10. That's all.
10
10 questions.
questions.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay,
I'll
now I
ask.
need
Shall
to
I ask?
count. Yeah, ma'am. Please.
Yeah. Hello, Suman.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What do you want to be?
Sorry, ma'am.
What you want to be?
Ma'am, I want to become an air hostess.
Ah, good, good. So, what do you
Yeah.
think it's important to concentrate to be a hair hostess?
Ma'am, I have to concentrate on my communication because
Mm,
I think, according to me, it is very important to being an air hostess because here only communication means a lot,
yeah.
and how we talk, how we throw our words, the way of talking. So I'm doing practice in this.
Okay. Okay. So, do you think the housewife, being an housewife, what do you think it's incomplete when you be a professional or an housewife?
I'm sorry, ma'am, I didn't get your question.
Yeah. Why to be a professional? Instead of being in home can be like in how like your mother. What do you think your mother lose according to you when if she is not a professional or not working outside? So what are
Ma'am,
the things she lose?
Rashmi,
I don't know at that time what what she want, but I want that I want to be a professional. I want to do some work because I want to do something for my parents. That's why I need to get a great job for them also.
Yes. Good, 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 good. Yeah.
hello.
You
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, Lakshmi.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello, you have to give commands and instructions. Last portion. Last portion, only 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Commands and instructions to the go there, like that. That get commands, instructions. You should you instruction.
Ha-
So commands and instructions 10 each. Lavina 10, uh, Rashmi 10. Then only I can take professional.
Okay.
You are professionals, no doubt. Then Suman Joshi, Priya Gupta, and Nikita Dangawal, and they are waiting for me. So you have to clear that in the last class that today after for 10 minutes I have to give instructions and command. I will be here only. No doubt.
Hello. Instructions. So, what do you want you to? Yeah, to give instructions means, yeah, when you are having, yeah, you all have different profession skill there. You have many dreams. Yeah, so you need to fulfill means you should concentrate on your spoken English. That is how you speak, the grammatically and the way of.
Exactly. Very good. Very good. And
So,
that command,
Yes.
not command, not command.
Ravina ma'am,
Lavina, command.
I'm not hearing.
Lavina,
Hello.
Lavina, do you get me? Then you can teach 10 commands. Commands means go there, come fast, like that command. In that tense, in that means 10 types of command.
So commands here means ordering. So ordering someone. So saying to do. So when you are in the high post, so you will give some instructions to be followed for your juniors. Or if you are elderly person, you are given some instructions or orders will be
Okay,
given or
okay.
set to your younger ones. So no. So the command.
I'm
So
giving-
keep quiet.
I am not giving instructions to my dear, Lavina and Rasmi, Tanuj also. I'm not giving instructions because they are professional. They are very good, extremely good. And I am giving instructions to Suman, Priya Gupta, uh, and
Pooja Joshi, sir.
Priya Joshi, Nikita Dangwal, like that. And so Neha Pandey, and I am not give, I am not going to give these instructions to these persons. I am giving instructions to Lavina and me and Tanuja. They will give instructions to these persons. That is a hierarchy, okay, of one company. Then uh, today, don't cheat about meeting at 7:30. Yesterday I was sitting and nobody was here, and now Link was here. That's a great thing, and I can't tolerate this one. That and you should have informed me. And Ravina, Ravina, Lakshmi,
Hello, sir.
Rashmi, you are both of you are very good. I'm guessing that you keep it up. Keep it. And I congratulate you for selecting me as professionals. And great that I am asking Rashmi, who are they? That is, I am selecting who are they? In accordance with your mind, who are
Hello, I'm not hearing, sir.
what happened? Rashmi,
Sir,
do you hear me?
yeah, now I'm here. I can hear, sir.
Who are the persons that I am going to select? In your opinion,
Suman, Pooja, Priya. Suman,
good,
Pooja, Priya.
very good. Ravina,
Yes, sir. So,
who
in
are
my opinion,
same
in my
opinion?
opinion, sir, yeah, Suman, Pooja, and Neha.
Very good. Success. And in your notebook, write these names because I don't remember these names.
Yes, sir.
In your notebook, write these names. Okay. And
Yes, sir. I have written. I have written.
you can continue for 5 minutes. You can leave. No problem. I am leaving. Okay.
Okay. And I also need to leave, Rashmi ma'am. My cell phone is almost out of power, and I need to charge it.
Yeah, I mean, I will leave, no? It's 12:15,
Yeah,
no?
ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay,
tomorrow we'll
ma'am.
decide
It's
on
time
that.
to leave. Yeah. It was
Okay.
nice to
Thank you,
teaching you.
teachers.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day, both of you.
Thank
Have
you.
a nice day, you too, ma'am. Okay,
You.
bye.
Bye.
Hello.
Hello, sorry. Oh,
क्या करना चलना है जाना है
yes, because अभी class का time है पूरा.
15 मिनट है अभी
I have to go bank के काम से जाना.